Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Kola Edokpayi say make the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki call the Edo State Security Network to order. Those ones where they go into community go they cause trouble. Make I leave you now with Kola Edokpayi. Enjoy the video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my fellow patriots, Nigerians, and the good people of Edo State. You are graciously welcome to Talakawa's Parliament Human Rights TV. Today, we want to look at the activities of Edo State Security Network, otherwise known as the vigilante. I think I must use this medium to commend the vigilante to some extent because of the work they are doing in Edo State to ensure that there is security of life and property in our dear state. You know, when Nigerians took to the streets to protest against the repressive, the antediluvian, the monstrous acts of the monstrous modus operandi and modus vivendi of the special anti-robbery squad. The authority heard the voice of Nigerians and acted accordingly. The notorious SARS was disbanded and consigned to the trash can of history. Nigerians were extremely elated, ecstatic, and exhilarated that the government at federal level for the first time are hacking to the voices of reasons by doing the needful, by disbanding SARS. After some time, police that is charged with responsibility of maintaining law and order were absolutely discouraged. They were pessimistic. They were indifferent. They were complacent. Thereafter, Edo State became the heartbeat of crime. Edo State became the heartbeat of armed robbery. Those who had POS shops were consigned to their cocoons. They could no longer do their businesses. Courageously to nip insecurity in the bud. Some of us were agitating for community policing, for vigilante to be invigorated so as to assist the police in combating crime in our society, in our dear state. We agitated for that, for community policing. We agitated for the resuscitation cum, the reinvigoration of vigilante to assist the police in tracking down criminal elements. Who take delight in giving the good people of Edo State sleepless nights. We are aware of the Fonset Origo of Edo State Security Network. Other vigilante, we have other vigilante groups who were protecting their respective communities. They collapsed, to some extent collapsed their structure into Edo State Security Network under the watchful eyes of the former CSO to Governor Godwin Obaseki, retired police officer Yusuf Aruna from Kogi State. We will come to that aspect subsequently. That how can a man from Kogi State be heading the security network in our dear state? We will come to that. Maybe that will be a topic for another day. When they started initially, they were working hand in hand with the police. They were arresting armed robbers, kidnappers, and submit same to the police for proper investigation and prosecution. Edo people welcome them. Edo people endorsed Edo State Security Network. Edo State people passed a vote of confidence on them. I was one of those who agitated that there should be improvements in the arms they bear so as to counter any form of banditry or to counter any criminal with sophisticated weapons. It was welcome. If you see them, they bear pump action, because we cannot fight those that are troubling us, those that are beating the tom-tom of discord, those that are beating the tom-tom of war, those that are beating the tom-tom of insurgency. We cannot counter them with the hunters gun. We cannot counter them with cutlasses. We cannot counter them with bottle. Putting into perspective that the governor of Bauchi State, Malam Bala Mohammed told the world that it is the constitutional right of Fulani herders to bear AK-47 to protect themselves and also to protect their cows, as if cows, the lives of cows, are valuable than that of human beings. You know, in the north, they see their people as one. While they come to the south, they have this mentality that their cows in the south, sorry, that their cows, their melu in the north are far better than the people in the south. That was why he made that statement, that they have that right to bear AK-47, while we in the south have that right to bear cutlasses, dagger. If you are ever seen with dagger in Edo State, you will be arrested and be charged to court with armed robbery. This is where we are. We cannot counter the insurgency, the banditry, the odoriferous activities of those that have the mentality that they are the best in Nigeria. They have surrounded our forests in Edo State. Edo State, let me say, Nigeria is sitting on a keg of gunpowder. If it explodes, it is only God that can help to save the very precarious situation back to the businesses or the activities of Edo State Security Network under the watch of Haruna Yusuf. Haruna Yusuf, the former CSO to the governor and the former SA on security to the governor, is in charge of this security network. They take instructions from him. They take instructions from him. They were working very well. Even to date, they are still working. They still have some of them that are doing the work with professionalism. But recently, the information we are receiving, the information at our disposal, is extremely unpalatable. Recently, now some of them now go to communities. They now go. Just recently, we had how some vigilante sustained gunshot injury in Obage community, in Obage Nebosa community. Because there was an attempt to change power, to change power. Edo State Security Network should not be seen to be involved in community crisis. Their responsibility is to ensure that there is peace. Their responsibility is to ensure that laws are maintained in our state. Like I said, they are doing marvelously well. But this issue of engaging in community crisis is extremely unpalatable. The bad acts that are involving in this act should be called to order. so as, in fact, not in order not to stain the work, the good work of the vigilante. Today, presently, vigilante, they will assemble at Ring Road. They will go to other community. We are talking of community policing. We cannot be talking of community policing when somebody from another community, from Igwe community, that person will travel to Igwe Din community without informing those officers, the vigilantes that are on ground in the community. They will invade that community, carry out some acts which are absolutely monstrous, and acts that are strictly that are against their responsibility. When we are talking of community policing, I police my community, you police your community, the other man police his community. You are answerable to the police. If you arrest suspects, you hand over that suspect to the police and let police do the needful. There is no law in Edo State that gives credence or credibility to vigilante. To arrest suspects, you beat that suspect and charge to court. No. If you arrest, you hand over to the police and let police continue from there. And thereafter, you monitor the activities of the police. When the police are not going contrary to the law, when they are not behaving contrary-wise, you can cry at them that this person you arrested, the suspect, you hand over to the police. Police is perverting justice. Thereafter, we will come and say we will come out again for another protest. You understand? But situation whereby you leave your territory to another man's territory to arrest a suspect without informing the person in charge of that territory is not palatable. When a policeman is embarking upon investigation activities in Edo State, maybe policeman from Abuja, first and foremost, the policeman will come to Edo State Command and document and and appeal for manpower, because they don't understand the terrain. Those that are in Edo State understand the terrain very well. Thereafter, the police from Edo State Command will lead them, will follow them to the place where they are going to arrest the notorious armed robber or notorious kidnapper. That is how it is done. You protect your community and let me protect my community. That is community policing. Neighborhood watch. Everybody, you are a police in your community, in your neighborhood. That is how it ought to be. But today, when they are now embarking upon, we are told that we are also told that they have their own cell at Ring Road. No, it shouldn't be like that. With all due respect, if you arrest a suspect, don't beat the suspect to the point of death. Hand over the suspect to the police and let police continue the investigation there. We even heard that they now even collect bail from suspects they arrest. No, we must make sure that we do the right thing. We must make sure that we contribute our quota positively towards the development of Edo State, so that Edo State will be elevated to the pedestal. Edo State is enjoying relative peace today simply because of the fact that there is no the level of oppression has not gotten to the apex. We do not want a situation whereby the vigilante will not be a target of criminals. No, we have to protect our own. We have to protect the vigilante we have. We have to protect the sanctity, the integrity of Edo State security network. so that there will not be birth of insurgency again, so that there will not be birth of insurgency in Edo State. Because when situations like this are not handled, when situations like this are not handled meticulously, it will lead to a situation whereby things will fall apart and the center can no longer hold. How can you assemble yourself? They want to overthrow one on Kagili. You will go there. You will join some people. They want to overthrow Kagili. Started shooting sporadically. No. Things are not. This is not the spirit behind the formation of Edo State Security Network. This is not the spirit behind the formation of Vigilante Network. No. Let us not, in fact, behave in a way or act in a way that will not lead to a situation whereby people will not lose confidence on the security net, Edo State Security Network. We see some of them. How many of them are the ones that are stationed at Ring Road? How many of them are deployed to Binia Uchi Road? How many of them are deployed to Binia Uchi Road? Some of them are supposed to be deployed to Binia Uchi Road. The few ones we normally see along Binia Uchi Road, and in fact they carry on task gun. Some of them will be saying, "Pemona, assist me, driver, assist me with something." Those with pump action from Edo State, the gallant men, should be deployed to Binia Uchi Road, should join the police in combing the bush, the forest, so that to apprehend the X-men, the bandits that have occupied our forest. Edo State government should at least should put on his sticking cap, to be proactive, to scrutinize the activities of the Edo State Security Network, because they are not moving anti-clockwise. They are not moving anti-clockwise. This negates the spirit behind the formation of Edo State Security Network. Edo State Security Network has come to stay. I know there are bad eggs everywhere. There even the family. There are bad eggs. But it is very, very easy for us to get rid, to identify the bad eggs amongst them and remove them. Disarm them. You disarm them. Community wahala now, community crisis now. Vigilante must be involved. They must involve vigilante. That they were putting on those that came to overthrow. They were putting on vigilante polo t-shirts. No, let us do the right thing. You are vigilante today. Do the right thing so that the people will not rise against you tomorrow. The way we rose against SARS. The way we rose against the satanic act of this special anti-robbery squad. The Edo State Vigilante, the Edo State Security Network should not replace the disbanded SARS. SARS has gone forever. I was also told that some criminals were arrested. Some people wanted to go and to unleash mayhem in Uteko community. We heard that 2 of them were arrested, that they took them to Ring Road. But after them, we didn't hear from them. But we investigate that matter to ascertain the verisimilitude and the veracity of the allegation leveled against them. You cannot arrest, except you arrest somebody innocently. And this person just arrest this person innocently. You can allow that person to go. But if you arrest somebody who commits crime, you take that person to the police. You take that person to anti-courtesan. You take that person to anti-kidnapping. You take that person to anti-robbery. You take that person to crack. We have the police units, that vigilante, this Edo State Security Network is supposed to be answerable to. They are not supposed to be answerable to government as. No, they are not supposed to be answerable to government as. Eh? You saw how that man, the cripple, the issue of cripple, the man who describes somebody as cripple, the cripple, the man that describes somebody as a cripple. We heard that guns are every, in fact, vigilante in that community. No, things are not done like that. Let us do the right thing. The right thing should be done. The good should be done, the evil avoided. We are very happy that there is peace in Edo State. Eh? What somebody is asking, what business have they with community land matter? My brother, I tire. You look how bargain levels are now. We had that some vigilante were shot. Eh? In the course of trying to join one party to overthrow. You understand? What is the essence of this fighting in the community itself? Why are you fighting yourself in the community? You want to become Okarele so that you can sell land. Eh? So that you can sell land, you can sell one land to 70 people. Eh? So that you have that. Remember that you are not going to be there forever. Okarele fight. Boundary wahala, you sell and give 20 people. No. We should rise above that parochial way of reasoning. We should rise above that. Please, we should rise above that. Do the right thing. Your Okarele, do the right thing. Not in the name of vigilante. In the name of vigilante, because you are harmed, you go to another community and be shooting sporadically. No, we don't behave in a way that the people will not rise against you. You vigilante, fine, they are working. The lack of, I can see, in fact, so many of them. Chief Izobo is working assiduously. I know some of them that are working, doing the work with passion, doing the work genuinely, doing the work because they have that confidence that Edo State must be liberated from any state of crime and criminality. Some of them are very, 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 very good. When you see some of them, you say, no, let me join the security network to promote security in our dear state. Imo State is burning today. Southeast is burning today because of issue like this. We don't want a situation whereby there will not be formation of a parallel that will be security network that will be terrorizing the security network, that will be fighting the security network. No, because when you push a man to the wall, the man will fight back. The man will fight back. Please, Mr. Haruna Yusuf, talk to your people very well. Involve the OC anti-courtesan. Involve OC anti-kidnapping. Involve OC special squad, crack team. Involve all of them. So that from time to time, police will come and give them lecture. They will be trained properly. They will be trained and be retrained. They will examine them psychologically. Huh? Examine them psychologically. Security, I must tell you that the security network is doing very well. They are doing very well. But there are bad eggs. We heard that they have cell at Ring Road cell. They lock somebody in the cell. No, don't lock anybody in the cell, please. Don't collect money for bail from anybody. Don't collect bribe from anybody. If you arrest anybody, take the person to the police and monitor the investigation to the end. Or you inform people like us who extend our torchlight to the unit that is investigating the matter. Do not, in the name of fighting insecurity, do not create more insecurity for us in Edo State. Do not create more insecurity for us. Do not create insecurity for us in Edo State that will not go beyond the governor, that the governor will not travel to Abuja and be governing Edo State from Abuja. Also, how why me down? It shouldn't be like that. Stop all this invention of communities. Protect your community. Protect your neighborhood. You don't even have business at Ring Road. You don't have business at Ring Road. If for example you want to stay at Ring Road, you want to stay there, at least 10, 20, not everybody 100, 200. Or if you have training there, you can go and train, and thereafter you go to your community and be securing your community. Let it be effective community policing. Effective community policing. That is what we are talking about. Effective community policing. You police your community. Police Igbosa community. Police Igwadolo community. Police Obadenerusa community. Police Owerri community. Police Utagba community. Police Idowina community. Police Ute community. Police Ute community. Let those that are living in the community police their own community. Whenever you see criminals, hand over the criminals to the police and let the police do their work. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. I'm begging you in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Discharge your responsibility with the fear of God. Do it with the fear of God. So that to continue to have the confidence on of the people. Do your work very well. Please, Governor Godwin Obaseki, please call them to order. Those that are going to communities, those that are doing this community, that are engaged in community crisis, should be called to order. Identify them. Please, identify them. Identify them. Train them very well. Retrain them. They are doing very well. Please, Aruna, please, since you are in charge, I know you are from Kogi State, but you are in charge now. Do the needful, continue to monitor their activities. Don't sit there in government house or in your comfort zone and say and assume that things they are working. Involve the civil society organization. Involve all of them. Community policing, security is not specifically for the police. Security is everybody's business. Involve the civil society organization in the entire issue. In the matter, involve them. Involve the civil society organization that we at least be advising them on the point of law and morality. Involve lawyers. Involve Nigeria Bar Association. Involve Nigeria Bar Association. Involve stakeholders. Involve traditional rulers. Involve clergymen, pastors. Involve imam. Because security is everybody's business. Please. So that Edo State will be the best. So that Edo State will be the best so far in all the security network in Nigeria. Edo State, I don't think will be better than Amotekun. You go from Ring Road, you go Bazagbo community, you go community, I go to do community work. Man, speak pidgin English. Some people say my grammar too big. May not go cause headache. Who are area community? Now go they join those people, they shoot gun to scare the Okagili. All those one go they begin they shoot. Now no say gun off everywhere now. Also see here. Yeah? I beg you now. If they call, for example, they want go that kind of operation like that. Police go jail now. Police now go lead. Police go jail now. Eh? Police go jail now. Killer S, thank you, my brother. Killer S men are everywhere. Go to Orion or local government area. Go to Binia Uchi Road. And let us together fight our common enemy. The evil, the criminal X-Men. Eh? Not to sit down at Ring Road there. You show that you get caught. They want to go overthrow one or carry it. Okay, 20 boys. Well, we have lost a array. Well, we have multi array boys. We have a Pompey. We have your ray. Malo okare le na mai loya. Iyo kare le na mai loya. Okare le na mai loya. Ma loya. Na wa audio ya. Wa no ma loya audio ya. Wa mwe wa ni re gbov your. No. They your community. If you be from Ogbe, they Ogbe community. If you be from if you are from Rama Park, they Rama Park. If you are from Igbo Nebosa, they there. Eh? I beg una. I dey beg una o. I dey beg una. I beg. What una dey do well, I beg. I dey use me not dey beg una. More than go dey go community, go dey beat the tom of crisis. Now don't do now come out for there. Some people will go there, some vigilante will go there and they sustain gunshot injury. And then that community crisis go there. They will fight themselves. Now they give problem to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Obaseki dey once I never fit solve your problem finish self. Now I go create more problem for the man. Obaseki don't hold by force because of una. Now I create more problem for her. Muna leave Obaseki alone, I beg. Muna leave her alone with all this unnecessary problem. If na they do na work well, then they do na work well, then they do am well. I know they give Obaseki problem. He get your problem. Since November, he never fit appoint commissioners. SSA, SA, he never appoint. Now let few people now they run government. I beg, no they join, no they give Obaseki my governor problem again. With all this one, go carry Okagile for this one, go do this one. All of us join together with the governor to make sure say there is security in our dear state. Governor, please make sure you empower the security, the vigilante. Empower them, please. Empower them with vehicles. They need e-laws. You need vehicles. What don't they patrol? You get some who don't do special patrol. Now that kind 5 e-laws. This one all they patrol. They go different communities to make sure say they're there on ground. Okay, community A they're there on ground. Community A they're there on ground. B there on ground. C there on ground. All those ones now go there ring road. Very few of them. In case they gear say that they rob for this kind of place, they'll feel radio there for that side. Say robbery they go on there. More gonna activate before we reach there. That's supposed to be. They will cause inform police too. Police will cause join them. Me they say I see them. About a few days ago I see OC SARS. I see 2 IC anti-kidnapping and some officers and vigilante. Blessing they go for operation. That's supposed to be. Why me Fulani explain now why we video now do like that. I beg una. The number to call dey there. I put my phone for silent since. Me call just dey come. Call dey come. So abeg, might call one of our person. One of the person wey call. Abeg, involve everybody. The number to call, the phone dey on, and the number to call, e dey there. You call, you make your contribution. Make your contribution. If e better na for all of us. If e better na for all of us. If e bad na for all of us. Even though you dey abroad, you still get your family for Nigeria here. Get your family for Edo State. Edajo Olayedomosa, I greet you. What talk baba? Mo read the comment. Okay, Prince Wale, Omisorem, bros, I greet you. Say maybe now for Ring Road, they go find the killer Fulani S-men, dirty, uncivilized set of people. Not be Ring Road, they not visit there for Ring Road. The Fulani people dey inside bush. The ones who every day be near Uchi Road self. Some of them are not sure they never get na hunter and a gun. on where they kill antelope. Now they give them, make they stay there. Now very few of them. Those one with the ring road, supposed to deploy the company out Chi Road. They'll still stay there. They'll still stay there. Not to just go the ring road. You just they want to do community matter. So vigilante don't they do your own matter. They do as a matter. We get report yesterday for as a matter. Yeah, vigilante don't they do as a matter. Say they'll come for as a die. The daddy bogri. Vigilante then they will see call recover the money. Come collect their own share for inside. Then they do as a matter. I tell you how anything they reach those states, me don't know why they be like this. God bless you, sir. God bless you too, my brother. What business have they with community land matter? I know if you ask me who I go ask. Papa God, please come to help Edo people. Amen. My brother, when a responsible government wants to fight crime, she will not use stout or and the responsible to do such a sensitive job. My brother, we need security now for everybody. Oh. We need tax, we need pastors, we need lawyers, we need activists, we need imam, we need all of them, rories, we need all of them to fight crime because security is now for everybody. Yes. Yeah, okay. My dear comrade, this so-called local vigilante, what business do they have intimidating road users? Okay. Somebody, my brother Matthew said, my dear comrade, this so-called local vigilante, what business do they have intimidating road users and extorting money from drivers, etc.? Urgent steps are needed to address this ugly trend. This ugly trend. Okay. And extorting money. Some of them at second junction by Baba, you will only watch helplessly the way they will be displaying arrogancy at the center of the main road. Meanwhile, these are the people that are supposed to go for their operations on a covert base. Yet they expose themselves to ridicule and unforeseen attack. My dear, the day the people will rise against them, if the government refuses to do the needful, it may be an untold story. Governor, please do the needful. Yes, thank you, my brother Matthew Saro. Yes, if there is anything those security network has done wrong, say it here. If possible, let's hear from those that maltreated. In fact, there are very many. I think I've highlighted some. Let me play one music. I think I have one video here. Yes. So community, my brother Francis Akbede, go to Obaginebusa community. If you hear what transpire, you will be perplexed. You will be perplexed. There are some kind of videos, some kind of information that I cannot share here. That's kind of sensitive information. You hear people every day. If you listen to Manarata, except you don't listen to Manarata, if you listen to Manarata on ITV, you know what I'm talking about. There are bad eggs everywhere, you know. They are not sent. They have not been trained yet. There are bad eggs everywhere. Because we were the people that clamor for them, that started the agitation of community policing, that vigilantes should be strengthened, vigilantes should be empowered to discharge their responsibility to assist the police in the fight against crime in our dear state. So my brother now so okay, my brother Fred Romy, you say, bros, now I need to speak broken English because it's not everybody that understand those your BB grammar. And that be now pidgin English me can speak now. You know, say for all the power English or the entire bar. My God, this CEO, I greet you, sir. That must say your area. Peace, okay. Timmy comrade, yeah, Timmy George, I greet you, my comrade, sir. You are right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We cannot read all the comments. I want to say a big thank you to every one of you for speaking truth in action, because security is everybody's business. Thank you, my brother, Pay Camera. Security is everybody's business. You don't even know the plan of those who were overthrown in Obagin community. Those people, they have their plans too. Negative plans. That is why people like us must always come out to speak truth to power, to tell them to do the needful. So many communities everywhere complain. Please, let us, security is everybody's business. Let us join our hands together to make sure, say, Edo State is secure for all of us. We know what Edo State be like Imo State, another state for North. They don't host Boko Haram, don't host their flag now for near Abuja. I know say with the country where bandits don't defeat a army general. We're gonna share the video. Please share the video so that this message will go viral, so that this message will get to the doorstep, to the domot of the governor. Make governor see am. Say yes, see what they happen. Obagin Evusa community, they say that they collect money for bail. They get people they say they arrest for Uteko community. The person will complain, say they arrest them. Say they grant the seat gun, shotgun for their hand. Say na ring road for grant their bail. I don't know how truth be that one. How truth, I don't know the veracity we did that because we go investigate her. You get one guy will say he show his face. They should carry us go the police station where they carry and go. The guy say na OC crack team for the Edo State Vigilante Network. Anybody where assert must prove.
Now we don't hear from Kola Edokpayi. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.